Another architectural masterpiece done by Blue Heron. This home is 13.5 million, features 6 beds, 7 baths, and just under 9,000 square feet, located in Ascaya. And that's Henderson's latest luxury project, and it's probably the best one. Get ready, because you just tuned into a snow tour. As soon as you walk in, you get to choose left or right. I made the left, where it opens up into your great room that features high ceilings, giving you an open and inviting space, and also captivating the Las Vegas views. In Ascaya, the latest luxury project for Henderson, and it's about 1,000 feet into the mountain. And you really are dead center of the Las Vegas Strip views. At night, this has to be a gorgeous view on its own. Pool, the angular shape of the pool, hot tub, both of them are infinity. And you have viewing areas, because if you're having parties here, you better be having viewing parties. The kitchen has a nice stone finish in that Las Vegas modern backsplash. Your dining space is close by on a designated platform that's next to your wine cellar that incorporates the natural elements that Blue Heron's known for. Over to my right, you have the game room, and again, more scenario with pocket doors so you can open up completely the entire backside so you can capture these Las Vegas views. Blue Heron did such an outstanding job when it comes to architectural design, even incorporating the natural elements into the home, the finishes, the fireplace, the backsplash on the mirror. My name is Antonio Snow, and if you're looking for any home in the Las Vegas Valley, make sure you reach out to me. And remember, there's no tour like a snow tour, and I'll see you next time.